The JCB 155 HD skid steer loader is engineered for efficiency, safety, and versatility, making it a reliable choice for various applications. Key features include fuel efficiency and performance, optimized hydraulics and transmission designed to enhance fuel efficiency, providing maximum performance with minimal fuel consumption, powerful engine equipped with a 44 kilowatts, 59 horsepower engine, delivering robust performance for demanding tasks, productivity and versatility. High breakout forces offers 20% better breakout forces, ensuring higher productivity and maximum output. Increased lift height provides a 7% higher lift height compared to nearest competitors, facilitating efficient material handling. Attachment compatibility supports a wide range of over 25 attachments, enhancing versatility across different jobs. Safety and operator comfort. Side entry design features. Eliminating the need to climb over attachments. Enhanced visibility, the unique single arm power boom design offers 60% better visibility around the machine than conventional twin-arm designs. Spacious cab boasts a 46% larger cab compared to competitors, providing a comfortable and ergonomic working environment. Ease of access and serviceability. Large rear opening door provides exceptional access to the engine area and all daily maintenance points. Tilting cab design enables easy access for better servicing, reducing downtime. Battery isolator facilitates safer maintenance procedures. These features collectively make the JCB 155 HD skid steer loader a high-performing, safe, and versatile machine suitable for various operational needs.